Okay, so it's time to write our error handlers. So the first thing we're gonna go is to go with an if statement. I'm gonna use an if statement, and actually I'm still echoing all these stuffs out. Get rid of the echo and get rid of this as well, and this one. Okay, so I'm gonna check if the first name and last name are empty. So if first name, actually that should be if empty. So the empty function, if empty, first name, and that's the ampersand. So empty last name, then we're gonna send the user back. Before then, we need to go with our array underscore push. Then we're gonna push it to our error array, which we haven't created. So we'll say first name and last name are required. And we're gonna send them back to the page. Header location, since we're in the form handler, we're gonna go back another step and go to the nw admin.php. Okay, so and we're gonna pass in the same message. So message is equal to first name and last name are required. Copy, paste that, and if we don't get rid of the spaces, we're gonna have that 20%. That it's always annoying. So let's create the array. So error is going to be equal to an empty array. Okay, so let's try that out. So I'm going to head back sorry, refresh, and let's just register. So we are not able to go anywhere, and we have this message in our URL. So message is equal to first name and last name are required. So back to the code editor. So else if not filter underscore var, then we're gonna pass in the email variable. Then we're gonna say filter underscore validate underscore email, and I'll just copy this, copy, paste, and this time it's gonna say email, not email. Email is invalid. Okay, so I'm gonna copy message, paste, not female but email, and I'm gonna get rid of the spaces. Okay, so we've seen how that works. So we're gonna go with an else if statement again. So else if the email is empty, then we're gonna pass in actually, why did I copy that instead of this? Array underscore push, copy, and this is gonna be email is required, and this is gonna be email is required. So the final else if statement. So else if, I'll just go with an else statement. So else, and we're going to write an if statement within that if statement, within the else statement. Okay, so else, now if the password is empty, so empty pwd, then we're also going to throw an error, that should be array. Okay, so password is required. This is gonna be password is required. Okay, so I hope I'm not going too fast. So else, so within that else statement, we're gonna write another one. So else if str length, so that's the string length of the password. So if it's less than or equal to 5, then we're going to throw an error. So because we want the password to be 6 characters above. Okay, so password is too short, so we're going to throw in the message password is too short, and pass in the message here also password, not password, password is come on, why can't I type is too short. Okay, so these are the error handlers for now. Yeah, I think that's it, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.